Brussels. Brussels is a popular tourist destination of Belgium with a wide range of attractions and activities to offer. Here are some of the key reasons why tourists visit Brussels. Number 1. Historic and architectural beauty. Brussels boasts a rich history, and its historic architecture is a major draw. The Grand Place, Grote Markt, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is renowned for its stunning buildings, including the Town Hall and the King's House. The city is also home to numerous churches, museums, and historic neighborhoods. Number 2. Cultural and artistic scene. Brussels has a vibrant cultural and artistic scene. The city is home to various museums, including the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium, which house an extensive collection of artworks by famous artists. There are also theaters, galleries, and music venues that host cultural events throughout the year. Number 3. Delicious cuisine. Belgian cuisine is famous for its chocolates, waffles, and beer. While in Brussels, you can indulge in Belgian chocolates, sample a variety of local beers, and savor Belgian waffles with various toppings. The city also offers a wide range of culinary experiences, from street food to fine dining. Number 4. European Union institutions. Brussels is considered the de facto capital of the European Union, hosting major EU institutions like the European Commission, the European Council, and the European Parliament. Visitors interested in politics and international affairs can take guided tours of these institutions. Number 5. Diverse neighborhoods. Brussels is a multicultural city with diverse neighborhoods, each offering its own unique atmosphere and attractions. Explore the historic streets of the Old Town, visit the trendy neighborhoods like Ixelles and St. Gilles, or stroll through the European Quarter. Number 6. Festivals and events. Brussels hosts various festivals and events throughout the year, including the Flower Carpet in the Grand Place, Brussels International Film Festival, Jazz Marathon, and a lively Christmas market during the holiday season. These events add to the city's vibrant atmosphere. Number 7. Parks and green spaces. The city has several parks and green spaces, such as Parc du Cinquantenaire and Parc de Bruxelles, where you can relax, have a picnic, or go for a leisurely walk. Number 8. Day trips. Brussels is well connected to other Belgian cities like Bruges, Ghent, and Antwerp, making it a great base for day trips to explore more of the country's cultural and historical treasures. Number 9. Multilingual environment. While French and Dutch are the official languages, English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas, making it easier for international visitors to communicate. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or politics, Brussels offers a diverse range of experiences for tourists. It's a city where tradition meets modernity, making it a captivating destination for travelers from around the world. The best time to visit Brussels, Belgium, depends on your preferences for weather and the type of experience you want. Brussels has a temperate maritime climate with mild summers and cool winters. Here's a breakdown of the seasons to help you choose the best time for your visit. Number 1. Spring, which is March to May. Spring is a lovely time to visit Brussels. The city comes to life as flowers bloom, and parks and gardens are in full color. The weather is generally mild, with temperatures ranging from 10°C to 18°C. It's a great time for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Consider visiting in April to see the famous Flower Carpet in the Grand Place. Number 2. Summer, which is June to August. Summer is the peak tourist season in Brussels. The weather is warm, with temperatures averaging between 17°C to 24°C. Expect larger crowds at popular tourist attractions and higher prices for accommodations. Summer is an excellent time for outdoor events, festivals, and enjoying the city's parks and outdoor cafes. Number 3. Autumn, which is September to November. Early autumn, particularly September, is a pleasant time to visit Brussels. The weather is still comfortable, with temperatures ranging from 14°C to 20°C. The city is less crowded than in summer, making it easier to explore museums and cultural sites. Number 4. Winter, which is December to February. Winter in Brussels is relatively cold, with temperatures averaging between 1°C to 6°C. It can be quite chilly, and there's a chance of rain and occasional snow. However, if you enjoy festive holiday markets and the cozy atmosphere of winter, visiting during December for Christmas markets can be magical. Number 5. Christmas season, which is late November to December. Late November and December are particularly charming due to the Christmas markets, decorations, and festive atmosphere. Brussels is known for its elaborate Christmas displays, especially around the Grand Place and Place Sainte-Catherine. Ultimately, the best time to visit Brussels depends on your personal preferences. If you want to avoid crowds and enjoy pleasant weather, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of spring or early autumn. However, if you're interested in the lively summer scene or the enchanting Christmas markets, plan your trip accordingly. Keep in mind that Brussels is a year-round destination with something to offer in every